Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Domino's Pizza launches its first brand refresh in 13 years, introducing a new look and feel that will be rolled out across the US and multiple international markets over the coming months. The update includes revamped TV and digital advertising, as well as changes to Domino's.com and Domino's online ordering system. The iShares Core S&P 500 Index Fund ETF, IVV, has been analyzed for its exposure to key investing factors. The report found that IVV * has a moderate value factor score, indicating mixed value-oriented characteristics * scores low on the quality factor, suggesting potential concerns about earnings and profitability * exhibits strong momentum, indicating consistent price growth over time * shows low volatility, implying relatively stable returns overall. IVV's profile suggests that investors may be willing to accept some trade-off in terms of quality in exchange for potentially higher returns due to its momentum. The iShares Russell 1000 Growth ETF, IWF, has been identified as a large-cap momentum investment. The report highlights its exposure to the major investing factors, including momentum and growth. This categorization suggests that IWF focuses on rapidly growing large-cap companies, with strong upward price movements. The iShares S&P Midcap 400 Index Fund ETF, IJH, is a mid-cap exchange-traded fund. Its performance is analyzed across 4 key investing factors: value, quality, momentum, and low volatility. The iShares S&P Smallcap 600 Index Fund ETF, IJR, is a mid-cap equity fund that provides exposure to the small-cap segment of the U.S. market. The fund's investment approach aligns with 4 key investing factors: value, quality, momentum, and low volatility. Its valuation multiple is slightly above its historical median, indicating a modestly overvalued status compared to its peers. However, it scores well on quality metrics, such as profitability and debt levels, suggesting that the fund's constituent stocks have strong financial fundamentals. The report also notes that the fund's momentum and volatility factors are relatively neutral, neither favorably nor unfavorably impacting its overall performance. Overall, the fund offers a balanced approach to investing in small-cap companies, with a moderate level of risk. The iShares Russell 3000 Value ETF, IUSV, is a large-cap fund that focuses on low-volatility investments. The report highlights its exposure to various key investing factors, but specific details about these factors are not provided in this snippet. Live Nation Entertainment plans to issue $1.03 billion in convertible senior notes due 2031 through a private placement. Semtech Corporation has priced $350 million in 0% convertible senior notes due 2030. AT&T Inc. has been recognized as one of the top dividend-paying stocks among its peers, with a significant amount of its stock held by exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The company boasts an above-average dividend yield of 4.24%, indicating a relatively high return for investors who receive dividends. Cotton futures closed the session lower by 68 to 71 points in nearby contracts. Meanwhile, the US dollar index rebounded, gaining $0.513 to reach $98.312. Additionally, crude oil prices rose by 36 cents per barrel. The SEAM reported sales of 633 bales at an average price of 60.70 cents per pound. Cocoa prices fell sharply on Tuesday, with December ICE New York and London cocoa closing down 1.66% and 1.64%, respectively. The decline marked a 20-month low for London cocoa futures. This significant drop is attributed to ongoing pressure from last week's government announcements, which continue to weigh on the market. The wheat market is experiencing a decline, with prices falling by $0.03 to $0.04 per bushel for soft red wheat and HRW, hard red winter, contracts. Spring wheat prices are also down, but the exact amount is not specified. Corn futures experienced minor losses across most contracts, while the current cash price stands at $3.78 1/2 per unit. The USDA's crop progress report was not released due to the government shutdown, which impacted trade expectations for corn harvest completion levels. Estée Lauder Companies, Incorporated's EL, shares have surpassed the average analyst's 12-month target price of $92.43, trading at $92.68 per share. This development prompts analysts to reassess their forecasts, as they now face a decision on whether to maintain or adjust their target prices. Cameco Corporation, CCJ, shares have surpassed the average analyst's 12-month target price of $86.20, trading at $86.45 per share. This development prompts analysts to reconsider their valuation, with potential outcomes including downgrades or reevaluations of target prices. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.